Hi, I'm Jeff Wise from BerkeyCleanWater.com. Have you ever wanted to buy a Berkey system, but it was a little bit out of your price range? I've got great news for you today. Stay tuned. I can now offer you from BerkeyCleanWater.com the opportunity to buy Berkey systems Scratch and Dent. It's the same system with brand new black filters, but there's a slight blemish on the system, possibly a tiny dent or a little scratch. Now more people can afford Berkey Clean Water. I'm here to help you find the best Berkey water filter system available for you, whether that's a brand new one or a Scratch and Dent version. If you want more information on Berkey, then you can subscribe to this channel to get more videos. Like this video, comment, ask me your questions, share this video with others, and don't forget to click on the link below to join my email list to get the best Berkey water filter guide you can get.